There are many advantages why you should switch to MODICIA OS. The operating system and programs are completely free. You won't have to search for and install dozens of programs with various plugins. Everything is already ready and configured. The hardware recognition is able to recognize almost all peripherals without searching for other drivers. The video and audio codecs are all ready, without searching for anything. Video operators have everything best available to create 4K videos with subtitles, effects, and export it in any format, even in digital cinema package. Musicians will find Jack and LMMS already operational with everything needed to create, convert, and improve any type of audio. Photographers will find the power of Raw Therapee and the flexibility of GIMP useful, as well as many other tools. Graphic designers will love Inkscape to create their designs. Hundreds of utilities for managing and controlling the operating system are ready to be used. An Office suite is also included, modern and compatible with all Office formats. What are you waiting for to abandon your old, limited, and incomplete system? The only limitation of MODICIA OS is your fantasy. By actually using it as an operating system, you will realize that everything works, nothing is missing, and I shouldn't add anything to use your PC at 360 degrees in everything you need. Being supported by a company that has been operating since 1998 to date, you will not be left without support or project continuity in a year or two. Based on stable Debian, a certainty that everything will work for years without disastrous crashes. Try it, and if you like it, you can install it.